Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Creative collective New Wave Jamaica recently held their first movie night at Skyline Drive with the intent of stimulating the visual senses. The pillow and cushion experience brought together film enthusiasts and followers of the New Wave movement who gathered to view award-winning short films Kinto and Fever Dream and full-length feature Better Must Come. Young filmmaker Joshua Paul premiered his short film Kinto, the 15-minute drama set in Kingston, which made the rounds on the International Film Festival circuit earlier this year to very positive reviews. The second short film, Fever Dream, directed by Niall Sauter and starred by local creative Jeff Crossley, had its world premiere at the Trinidad and Tobago Film Festival last year. The final film of the night was Better Must Come by director Storm Sauter, which heralded much international success for its breakthrough in film locally in terms of production. The vision for New Wave is to become the authority on cultural innovation within Jamaica and the Caribbean. Reggae and dancehall artist Jamil's hit song Heaven was recently featured in HBO's hit series Ballers. The single Heaven, produced by Chimney Records, is the background song to a scene where an agent gets familiar with his football player client, setting the ambience for a rather happy chill vibe by the water as the actors converse about women. The song talks about the happy life a man wants to live every day and him pushing forward every morning to keep his lifestyle up like heaven. With a jam-packed touring schedule since the start of 2018, Jamil continues to make major strides as he focuses on expanding his international fan base. Jamil is slated to perform in Canada this weekend and is set to release a few videos in the coming weeks. Now to news overseas, the rapper Tyga is suing the record labels of rappers Lil Wayne and Birdman, seeking at least $1 million in unpaid royalties. Tyga claims he has been cheated out of millions of dollars in royalties he earned for his two albums, Careless World and Hotel California, which he produced for Lil Wayne's recording company Young Money Entertainment back in 2009. Young Money is a joint venture between Lil Wayne and Cash Money Records, founded by Birdman and Ronald Slim Williams. In 2016, Tyga secured an agreement from the record companies promising to pay any royalties owed. However, he claims he has yet to receive the money. The lawsuit says Tyga's album Careless World debuted at number 4 on the US Billboard 200 chart, selling 61,000 copies in the first week, while Hotel California debuted at number 7 on the charts with the first week sales of 54,000 copies. The lawsuit further outlines that Tyga also wants access to the company's accounting records and royalty statements. Now, DJ Khaled has designed a new luxury furniture line inspired by his own home and lifestyle. We the Best Home officially launched today at El Dorado Furniture in Miami, the first brick-and-mortar store to sell the collection. Photos from the collection showcase Khaled lounging in a black and white leather couch reminiscent of old Hollywood. There's another picture showing him standing near a couch with a table with gold base. Following the Miami launch, the line is expected to expand to national and eventually international distribution. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.